Yo! Well, this is MC Full Stop, aka John Minor, live inside Harare, Zimbabwe. Me loving it, man. Hey, and tonight, I'm gonna be performing inside Mbare.
Music so nice. We are playing twice. When the vibes is right, and we no pass no fight.
Well, you know Zimbabwe, me say Kala say. You don't know Zimbabwe, me say. See, say Kala's me represent the ghetto to the fullest.
I'm DJ Juan from Supremacy Sounds.
Everton B, the voice of the voiceless. Mike Ainiti. Cello Culture.
Ras Michelle.
I am Tandazo Dube.
PTK.
Ja, Rastafari. Right now it's Appetite. Zimbabwean Jim Carrey, John English.
It's hard to find what you can do in a liberty. It's hard to find. So you have to try each and every angle. See, sell some tomatoes, sell some buns, sell anything that you can sell to us because money is needed at the end of the day.
For the ghetto, you'd find it really hard. You see, my lad. So that's why you see enough youth right now. They're resorting to music, and dancehall music and reggae music is like the only way out for the ghetto youth, because it's where people get to hear the message and they get to hear our outcry through the music. You see me?
In the ghetto, we are not even afraid. That's something that I like about the ghetto. That's my overall view. That's the umbrella word that I can use when I'm trying to describe the ghetto youths. They say something that's in their heart. They are not afraid.
It's only in the ghetto you can find real people, real friends, real family. Big time talents come from the ghetto because of the levity which we live there.
Stand firm and strong like a big man. Don't run away like a foolish man. Or face your life as a problem. That's the only way. I know it may seem so tough. You know
the dancehall thing, yeah, it's yatura. Basically, indulging chirutire when I'm right now in Zimbabwe. And why they like the dancehall music is it has a message.
I believe why we see a lot of people mingling about it is because there's true messages in the music. It's not all about lies, about bling or women or stuff like that.
It's a young people's game now. So the dancehall scene, it's actually taking over. Sungura has been there, you know. We have had Dendera, we have had the Mtukudzis, we have had Mkanya. I don't wish to see other genres dying out. That's not my wish because that's our culture. Huh? The future of dancehall reggae music, in not only in Zimbabwe but in the world, is so bright it scares me. Machezo chayacha imba reggae.
Instruction time right now. If you listen, careful, they don't get lost. Yeah. On your mark, yes, ready and go. Ready and go.
I think the average age of the dancehall artists in Zimbabwe is like 24, 25. That's the average age of the dancehall artists. So and DJs. You know what I mean? So we've got this generation for the next 30 years.
Influencing everybody else.
Influencing everybody.
Who's behind them.
Yeah.
What is happening in Zimbabwe right now is people haven't yet realized. You know, the world hasn't yet realized that Zimbabwe is brewing some of the finest reggae music.
I've seen major changes in 2013, just in this short period of time. Zim dancehall has grown drastically.
A long time people them wait for this. Rude boy stepping up the game.